He squares around and he gets this one down. Throw is not in time, and that will be an infield single. So Albert Pujols comes up now.
Gotta like this, trying to make something happen. You need base runners. You got to get on and let the rest of the lineup do their thing. Good bunt.
Rasmus is running. It's fouled away. Oh, 0-1. Rodriguez kicks and delivers. Swings, hits this one pretty well, deep right center. And that'll do it as Pence puts it away.
That was a hit and run, by the way, so I had to just let Albert Pujols swing at anything.
And it's Carlos Lee who'll lead it off. Plays off a called strike. 0-1.
He's just popping that glove with that four-seam fastball, pounding the strike zone.
Swing and a liner to right center. And that one is in there, his second hit today. That'll bring Jeff Keppinger to the plate.
I tried to go down with that 0-1 pitch, but it gets blasted right back for the base hit.
But the way he went after that in the box, Steve, it looked like he might have been guessing down there.
Well, I'll tell you what, you have to make contact behind in the count. He got a pitch over the heart of the plate, and he took advantage of it.
The 1-0 pitch. Fastball just misses, and he falls behind 2-0.
You know, a lot of hitters like that 2-0 count. This guy tends to back off a little bit and try to work the walk, so you got to come in the zone.
Called strike 2-2.
But Gary, he's aggressive on the 2-2 count, so if he's going to go down, he's going down swinging. Let's see if the pitcher can hit his spot.
If you can, keep working fast like that to keep the hitters off balance.
All right, chases the breaking ball for strike 3 right there. You got to lay off it.
And we've got Wallace ready to go at the plate.
Well, Brett Wallace has been a guy throughout his career that has bounced around from trade to trade, organization to organization. But I think he's going to find himself a home in Houston. There's a reason why they traded Lance Berkman in 2010 to make room for Brett Wallace.
Well, certainly for Brett Wallace, the leaving of Berkman from Houston has given him a chance, and now going into this year.
And there's yet another strikeout.
Just settle down, and we'll see what he's got.
Well, the Astros have coveted Brett Wallace for a long period of time, finally finding a deal to be able to bring him down to Houston, and I think he's going to get every opportunity to become their everyday first baseman.
It's going to be Johnson now. 1 for 2 lifetime against Kyle Loesch. And Molina spotting the pitch. This one's grounded to second. Shoemaker's got to play. Throws on to first.